Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get your money back from NordVPN using a PC. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome. On your PC, go to the NordVPN official website. Next, click on Log In at the top right corner. Enter your email and password to log into your NordVPN account. Once you are logged in, you won't see a refund button directly. To get your money back, you need to contact NordVPN support. Now scroll down to the bottom of the NordVPN website and click on Help Center and Support. Look for the right chat option. Click on it to start chatting with the support agent. When the chat opens, simply say something like, "I would like to request a refund under the 30-day money back guarantee." The support agent may ask you a few questions. Answer honestly and politely. After that, the support agent will process your refund request. If you paid using Google Pay or Apple, you may request the refund through those platforms instead. You can check your email for a refund confirmation message, and that's it. That's how you get your money back from NordVPN using a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.